Hi, this video will talk about the Project Assignment Board in Project Insight. The Assignment Board is another available project view in PI. We have so many. The Assignment Board focuses on reassigning tasks to the resources that you have in the project. Similar to the Status Board, you can use the Filter option to get some real sophisticated control over what you see in the Assignment Board. You can decide which users, which departments. You can look at resource types for users and sort just those assignments on the assignment board, or you can see all of them. You can add placeholder resources. You can decide, I only want to see the projects that are starting or tasks in so many days. You want to include some additional projects, not just one. You can add quite a few projects where you can reassign resources across projects. You can group by certain projects and display by certain task levels. So many sophisticated options here in the assignment board. Really lets you tailor this to the way you'd like to see it for your organization. And it's very helpful to PMs, especially at the beginning stages of a project where they're starting to assign tasks that are unassigned at the beginning. So you'll also note that there's a resources menu. If you take a look at the assignment board, all of the resources are listed in the top of the columns, and they refer to the different resources that are on this project. This project happens to have quite a few resources, and then you would see all of those resources listed with their own column for assignments across the top of the assignment board. I'm going to move over in the middle where there's more tasks. But in this Kanban board, you'll notice that there's similarities to the planning and the status boards, where you have that task name and start and end date here. However, on the assignment board, you won't see the resource name on these task cards. That's because each column is meant for each resource. In fact, you can go ahead and move these task assignments to different resources just simply by dragging and dropping two different columns. In this example, let's maybe move this task for customer admin training over from Emily to Kendall. And now we can go back to the task list view to see our result. So now you can see that customer admin training has been moved and Kendall is the new resource assigned to that particular task. For more information about other project views across Project Insight, please look for their individual documentation for each of their pages or their videos. And that's it for the Project Assignment Board in Project Insight. We hope this guide helps you make the most of this powerful tool.